Welcome back everyone! I watched the first video again and I understand if it was a little bit confusing here and there. So this video will be a little bit slower and also have a proper explanation. I'm starting with 7 beads, 1 in silver and 6 in purple. Let's start by pulling the right end of our cord through the second last bead. While tighten, make sure all of your beads stay in the center. From here add 5 more beads. And then pull your cord through the silver bead on the left. Now repeat the same steps on the other side. Add 6 beads, pull the left end through the second last of them. Add 5 more beads and pull this side of the cord also through the silver bead in the middle. Let's add a second silver bead. From here, pass one side of the cord through the first 2 beads. Do the same thing on the other side. Now it should look like this. From here add 5 more beads on each side and pull the ends of the cord through the silver bead in the middle. From here you can start adding the beads for the ring. Close the ring and secure the knots with glue or nail polish. I hope this version was easier to understand, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you next time!